Hello, dear students. Today we will discuss chapter number 15, our environment. Everything that surrounds us is environment. It includes both living, biotic, and non living abiotic components. Interaction between these biotic and abiotic components form an ecosystem. In an ecosystem, living components depend on each other for their food, which give rise to food chains and food webs in nature. Human activities lead to environmental problems such as depletion of ozone layer and production of huge amount of garbages. Ecosystem, all the interacting organisms in an area together with the non-living constituents of the environment form an ecosystem, that is forest, pond, etc. Types of ecosystem, it is of two types. Natural ecosystem, the ecosystem which exists in nature on its own. Example, forest, lake, ocean, etc. Artificial ecosystem, man-made. Ecosystems are called artificial ecosystem. Example, crop, field, aquarium, garden. Components of an ecosystem. Abiotic component, abiotic में एयर वाटर लैंड और बायोटिक में आ गए प्लांट और एनिमल. ठीक है, बायोटिक में फिर हो गया प्रोड्यूसर, कंज्यूमर और डीकम्पोजर. प्रोड्यूसर को फिर देख लेते हैं, हार्बीवोर, कार्निवोर, omnivore और पैरासाइट्स में. Abiotic components, all the non-living components such as air, water, land, light, temperature, etc. form the abiotic components. Biotic components, all the living components such as plants, animals, bacteria, fungi, etc. form the biotic components. On the basis of nutrition, biotic components are further divided into producers and consumers. Producers, all green plants are blue-green algae, can produce their own food using abiotic components, photosynthesis, hence are called producers. Consumers, including all animals which depend on producers directly or indirectly for their food. Division of consumers, herbivorous, plants eater, example goat, deer. Carnivorous, flesh eaters, example tiger, crocodile. Omnivorous, eats both plants and animals, example human. Parasites live on the body of host and takes food from it, example lice, kaskata, etc. Lice जो हो गई, kaskata, अमरबेल. Decomposers include organisms which decompose the dead plants and animals, example bacteria, fungi. These help in the replenishment of natural resources. यानी ये अपघटन कर देते हैं सड़े गले पदार्थों का. फूड चेन, फूड चेन आप देख सकते हैं, ए बी और सी. ए है फॉरेस्ट की, बी ग्रासलैंड में और सी है पॉन्ड में. Food chain is a series of organisms in which one organism eat another organism as food. For example, grass को deer खा रहा है, deer को lion. In a food chain, various steps where transfer of energy takes place is called a trophic level. Flow of energy between trophic level. आप देख सकते हैं नीचे से सनलाइट से प्रोड्यूसर को, प्रोड्यूसर से हर्बीवोरस को, हर्बीवोरस से कार्निवोरस को और फिर टॉप कार्निवोरस को जा रही है. एनर्जी कम होती जाती है नीचे से ऊपर तक. फ्लो ऑफ एनर्जीज इन फूड चेन इज यूनिडायरेक्शनल. ग्रीन प्लांट्स कैप्चर 1% ऑफ सनलाइट एंड कन्वर्ट इट इनटू फूड एनर्जी. 10% law. Only 10% of energy is transferred to the next trophic level. The remaining 90% energy is used in life processes, digestion, growth, reproduction, etc. by present trophic level. Due to this gradual decrease in energy, food chain contain 3-4 trophic level, यानी tertiary consumer, secondary consumer, primary consumer and producers. ये trophic level आप देख सकते हैं. Biological magnification. The concentration of harmful chemicals increases with every next trophic level in a food chain. This is called biological magnification. Maximum concentration of such chemicals get accumulated in human bodies as humans occupy the top level in any food chain. Food web. In a nature, large number of food chains are interconnected, forming a food web. कि कोई भी चेन कंप्लीट नहीं हो सकती, एक एनिमल को, है ना, 4 एनिमल भी खा सकते हैं, 4 को एक, तो इस तरह से एक जाल बन जाता है, इसको फूड वेब कहते हैं। Environmental problem, changes in the environment affect us and our activities changes the environment around us. Human activities leads to pollution, deforestation, etc. Depletion of ozone layer. The decrease in the thickness of ozone layer over Antarctica was first observed in 1985 and was termed as ozone hole. This decrease was linked to excessive use of synthetic chemicals like chlorofluorocarbon CFC, which are used in refrigerator, ACs, fire extinguishers, aerosols, spray, etc. Garbage disposal. Improvement in lifestyle have resulted in accumulation of large amount of waste materials. Types of materials in garbage. Biodegradable substance which can be decomposed by the action of microorganisms are called biodegradable waste. एग्जाम्पल हैं फ्रूट एंड वेजिटेबल्स, पील, कॉटन, जूट, डंग, पेपर एटसेट्रा. नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल वेस्ट. Substance which cannot be decomposed by the action of microorganisms are called non-biodegradable wastes. Example: plastic, polythene, metals, synthetic fiber, radioactive waste, pesticide, etc. यानी एक अपने आप ही समाप्त हो जाते हैं धीरे धीरे, और एक रहते हैं काफ़ी टाइम तक. Method of waste disposal. Number 1, biogas plant. Biodegradable waste can be used in biogas plant to produce biogas and manure. Sewage treatment plants. The drain water can be cleaned in sewage treatment plant before adding it to rivers. Landfillings. The wastes are buried in low-lying areas and are compacted by rolling with bulldozers. Composting. Organic wastes are filled in a compost pit and covered with a layer of soil. After about 3 months, garbage changes to manure. Recycling. Non-biodegradable waste are recycled to make new items. Reuse. It is a conventional techniques to use an item again. Example: newspaper for making envelopes, etc.